Tile Pro, we specialize in all forms of tile installation in Metro Atlanta. We are best known for our professional bathroom and kitchen remodeling. We also install exquisite tub and shower surrounds, tile and hardwood flooring. Plus, we provide fast and affordable shower pan repair. Over the past 15 years, we have developed innovative remodeling efficiencies that allow us to offer our services at a tremendous discount over other home renovation contractors. We have an experienced and respectful American crew, and we always maintain a clean work environment within your home. Please call us at 770-881-8135 for your free estimate. And be sure to bookmark our website at tileinstallation-ga.com.